I only typed 4 words. Build payment service, nothing else. No framework, no Docker, no tests, no instructions. Claude generated all of it. Java 21, Docker Compose, Swagger, logging, validation, unit tests, 4 words. How did Claude know everything else? I've spent the last 2 years trying to become better at prompt engineering. I thought better prompts meant better AI, so every morning I pasted hundreds of words like this. Use Java 21, Spring Boot, Docker, Swagger, logging, JUnit, validation, DTO, repository, service, controller, exception handler every day. The same prompt, over and over again. I thought this was how professionals used AI. I was completely wrong. Let me show you something. Fresh Claude, no configuration. I typed build payment service. This is what I got, missing Docker, missing tests. Different architecture every time. Now watch. Same prompt, exact same 4 words. But this time, everything. Java 21, Docker, Swagger, validation, logging, unit tests, same model, same prompt. Why? The difference between those 2 terminals, this. CLAUDE.md. This isn't really a configuration file. Think of it as an employee handbook. Every engineer joining your company gets documentation. Code style, architecture standards, preferred frameworks. Why should AI be any different? Role, Senior Java Engineer. Always use Java 21, Spring Boot, Docker, Swagger, validation, logging, unit tests. Never use field injection. Save. Run the same prompt. 4 words, same 4 words, but this time Claude already knew the standards. What happens when Claude makes a mistake? Here's a common one, field injection. I used to fix this every single session, every week, same correction. Then I stopped correcting. I started teaching. Never use field injection, always use constructor injection. Save this into memory. Restart Claude. Brand new session. Same prompt. I never mentioned field injection, but Claude remembered. That's not prompting, that's training. If you're anything like I was, you're still typing this every time. Generate DTO, Swagger, Docker, tests, logging, validation, exception handler, repository, service, controller, delete it, all of it, create a skill. /create-a, PI, now run it, expense tracker. I just replaced a 300-word prompt with 1 command. This is where I realized I'd been optimizing the wrong thing. I kept trying to become a better prompt engineer. The engineers getting incredible results weren't writing better prompts. They were building better systems. Context, memory, skills, those matter far more than writing another paragraph. Delete chat, fresh session. Build authentication service. Watch Claude work, auth flows, JWT, bcrypt, role-based access, tests, Docker. That's the difference between talking to AI and training an AI engineer. Next week, I'm building an entire AI software engineering team, specialized roles, architect, backend, security, DevOps. If you want to see how that works, subscribe.